welcome to this video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and we have our pajamas on because it's almost time to go to bed, but it's yeah. This stuff is called eyelash glass. Well, that's its nickname, and she'll look like that. Okay, and we're in pajamas because well, it's about time to go to bed, and we just want to show you around. So over here we have corn all the way down there, and then potatoes, and then the last thing I'm gonna show you is and it's a zucchini plant. Well, it's actually two zucchini plants. It's right here, and looks like Adaline has found something. Let's go see it. A bee?
No, it has white on it, not yellow.
So it's here. See that? Well, I have no idea what it is. But looks like she's found something else. It's a potato.
A pink potato.
Yeah, but it's not time to pick it.
It's too tiny. Oh, another potato right there.
So, yeah. Now, if I will just hand the camera over to Adaline, and she can show you some stuff.
Hi, guys. Okay, so this is sunflower patch over here. So we have the sunflower patch right here. And we also have this, like some zucchini. And let's show you some other stuff out here. Like, there's some more flowers right there, but we're looking for garden rice. And so there's a cat. And there's a cat. And also, that's less boring tape. Okay, so let's look over here and see what we can find. I'm gonna show you these corns, and then this pepper. There's that pepper on there. Then we eat some, and look right through there. We eat that pepper, and there's another pepper plant. Here's another sunflower stocking, and there's like some more stuff here. Like that's a big plant. There we go. And also we have cool stuff. And okay, so now we're gonna look everywhere. See, look at all of that stuff. And then over here is a tree, almost like a size, maybe like a size, but almost like a size at me. You see, the tree's right there. And there's like some plants planted here, and those things. Okay, and I'm gonna show it out.
Now, it's my turn. I just want to show you some trees. Over here, it's the apple trees. This is just what's left of the last greenhouse. Yeah, I know. It was completely destroyed. So, this one, it's not alive anymore. But if you look down here, these little things called suckers are still alive. Look. Looks like there is a sunflower and more suckers here. And unlike the last one you just saw, this one is alive. But the one over here, sadly, is just dead. We planted some new ones.
And don't forget the pine trees. The pine trees are
Yeah,
over here.
yeah, but the pine trees are sadly dead. But we can show these things called choke cherries. There's one, there's one, there's one. And we found a dead one with a spider web on. I don't know if you can see that good, but so yeah, there's one more apple tree that I'd like to show. It's here. And there's another root pine here. And then there's this spiky plant, so don't touch that. And then there's these things called yuccas.
Yeah, yuccas. They'll also have a seed on them with little tiny things in them. Little tiny like
Yeah.
moldy.
In the roots, you can eat
There's a
them.
yucca right here and it's baby yucca. Oh, and I found something that you gave.
Oh, let's go see what Adaline found. Oh, I can't keep up with her. Yeah, we let the goats in this area and they ate it.
Got pulled out of the ground.
Well, it's not a yucca, so just don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
But we forgot to undo the bond.
Okay, yeah, so we still have to do the bond. Yep, you can film.
Okay. It's over here. The bond's over here. There's a car. Yeah. Okay. And also, it's over here. And right here is a bond of life. And there's some goats. All goats have like the best place. And my mom, and there's a baby goat. See, I found a kitten. And it ran away and just so band-aids. Okay, that's not been so good in the video, but it's kind of freaking. Oh my kitten. But look over here. There's a mommy cat. There's a cat. See right there. Right there. I think you can't see too much. Also, I'm going to show you something cool. And it's over here. And also, I'm going to get these lights on and get going. Yeah. And also, I'm going to go over here and get these lights on. This is not really lighty. And I have like a little place over here. I can like these on. Okay, so now we're gonna look in here. This is a milking place. I still don't put it. Okay, and let's step up here. Let's see everything. Like there, those are pigs, and that thing here goes way back there. You see them more back there. You can't see it, it's right there. And also, cool stuff like this dog bed too. The dogs used to live in, like maybe two or like two dogs. Okay, so my mom and me found a toad over here. this by pie, like this, and I don't know how this works so good. And the toad was right back here in that corner, and now my brother's on the film.
Yeah, so we have this special place, but I don't know if there's any toads in it.
You like the toad?
Yeah, we found this toad right here. See? They actually make this little squeaky noise sometimes.
He peed on me.
He peed.
And
Okay.
he peed on me.
He peed on Adeline's. And so I'm going to show you this place we like to call the toad hole. But I don't think there's going to be any toads.
No toad.
Yeah.
I looked at it twice.
Yeah, too bad. But we have goats. You can come see them. Okay. Okay. Did Adeline always show you the goats? I'll just show you a little too. Yeah, this goat here is named Spike. We're gonna see the toe. He wants to nibble on his leg. And then this wet girl right here, her name is Princess. This is her baby. He doesn't have a name. That's her other baby. That's another baby. I don't know his name. And I think right here is this thing called a goji berry, I think. And we also have a camper. And I can show you. Yes, so, okay. Look. Isn't that funny?
And you can see inside the just and that.
Okay. And so we're gonna open this door, which is kind of a shower, but I've got it open. So somehow we washed the lights. I don't mind let the toad go. You can't see good. I'll show you the part that's whited. I'll pull this up if I can. This is our table, and then the bed, the door, of course, the sink, and then the bunk beds. There's one down here and one up here, and then right here is the bathroom. I know it's like pitch black, but you can see this mirror here,
Yep.
and then this shower.
I like to go in it.
Yep, you can go in the shower, and this is a garage.
Yep.
I don't know if you want to see that. And then here's a window, which is, I know, pretty boring.
You got a little bit of hair here, and there's some broken stuff way up there.
Yep.
And broken stuff.
Ooh, yeah. So we're gonna come out, and here's some of our cats. Yeah.
Yeah, we have something cool.
Yeah, we have 2 cats, but we've washed one of them.
Yep. I told them my birthday. You need to type in the number.
Yeah, so we have to type in this code that I don't know. So, yeah. So I'll come show you the dog. So you might not. I'll have to stay quiet when we get to the dogs. Yeah, I have to stay quiet if I do get close to the dog, but you wouldn't hear me. And then here's the moon. You probably can't see it, and I'll just zoom in. right there. Now on with the dogs. I have to stay quiet when I'm close to them because you wouldn't hear me because they bark a lot. Here's some of our cows.
Or if he throws this little pin or this, one of the dogs.
So I have to stay quiet. I'll mention the names. So the tall one. Well, we're gonna zoom in so you can see them. Okay, together. Now this one's named Woo Woo. And then Wosey, I can't show you. There we go, because of all the whack-it. And then Blue is here. His name's Jack. Then this, his name's Harley. Maybe you could see the heart on her head. And then here's
one of my dogs.
Wosey.
He just took my thing. I was on the Okay, so they're really excited about us. Yep. Did I say that out too loud? Okay.
Yeah, we'll have to get another stick.
And
Okay.
okay.
I could help you.
Okay.
Okay, come on now. Should be in the video.
Yeah.
Okay, just don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And bye.